In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Tag Manager. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to streamline your tagging process, Google Tag Manager can significantly boost your efficiency by managing all your website tags without needing to edit your site's code. So let's get started with setting it up. The first step is to head over to tagmanager.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you already have a Google account, you're on the right track. If not, you'll need to create one to continue. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the Accounts section and then click on Create Account. This is where we will start setting up your environment. Next, enter a name for your account. This could be your business name or any name that helps you identify the account easily. After naming your account, you'll need to select your country location. Google often uses this information to provide better service and support. There's also an option to share your data anonymously. It's completely up to you if you want to select this option, but it's worth noting that sharing this data can help improve the tools you use. Now that we have the account basics covered, it's time to name the container. Think of the container as a shell where all your tags will live. So pick a name that aligns with your project, then you need to decide whether this container will be for web or AMP. This choice should be based on the type of project you're working on. Once you've got your container all set with a name and type, you can go ahead and click Create. Don't forget to review and agree to the terms of service, and with that simple click, your basic setup is complete. Now you'll see a code snippet. This code is what you'll need to install on the head and body sections of your website. It's a critical part of the process because it allows the Google Tag Manager to effectively manage all your tags, triggers, and variables. When it comes to installation, you have a couple of options. You can either install it manually by copying and pasting the snippet into your site's HTML, or if you're using a website builder, you might find a plugin that can handle this for you. Once your snippet is installed, it's time to configure tags, triggers, and variables. Tags are essentially pieces of code like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel that you want to add to your site. Triggers define when these tags should be activated, such as on page load or when someone clicks a button. Variables provide the necessary information that these tags and triggers require, like a page URL or user ID. Before you finalize everything, make sure to preview your container. This preview step helps you ensure that all is set up as expected without actually publishing the changes live. And finally, when you're satisfied with your configuration, it's time to publish the container. This action will put all your changes into effect on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Google Tag Manager to streamline your website's tags management, all without messing with your site's code every time a change comes up.